Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use the Waze driving app step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure your location services are enabled. If you're using Waze for the first time, allow the app to access your location so it can provide accurate navigation. Next, tap the search bar and enter your destination. You can search for an address, a business, or a safe location like home or work. Once you've selected your destination, tap Go. Waze will calculate the best available route based on real-time traffic conditions. If more than one route is available, review the options and choose the one you prefer before you starting your trip. As you drive, follow the voice-guided directions on the screen. Waze will automatically alert you about traffic, accidents, road closures, hazards, and other driving conditions. If traffic changes, the app may reroute you to help save time. And that's how to use the Waze driving app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.